Hi everybody. Today I will to share with you how to change the water heater. This is a video. I think it's long time ago. 20 maybe it's installed 24 years. So now it's damaged. I tried to repair it by cold welder, but it's failure, so that I want to change a new one. I have just bought a new one here. Real performance $560 include tax. And it's important for you and for me to find a good material, a good part for replace. I have just buy two horse. It's about $36. Is that 40? Yeah, 50. Maybe. Nearly 20. And gas supply. Here, I try to make sure everything material but very good, and you do replace. It's important for me to find good material. If you don't buy enough material or wrong material or part, you can do it. Maybe it take a long day. Here the cut soon. I cut stone cutter. All material part connection to connection to cold water. Here connection to hot water. Here the hot connection to the supply gas. I try to fix, to check everything already good, and I try to replace. If you don't buy enough material or enough part, if you wrong only one part, one material, you take a long time to find. It's important for you, for me, to find, to buy good part, good material. Firstly, you cut off the supply water and supply gas. You must cut off supply gas. Remember the supply gas. This is supply, gas supply from the man. The man come here. The man come here to decrease the gas volume. Gas volume decrease. It makes low pressure. Here building have 4 apartment, all 4 unit. So that you must to find a good right unit. You change, you cut up the supply gas supply. This is open. 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 I have just cut off the gas supply for the unit, for the apartment. Well, I can change the new water heater. You must to check carefully. I have just used this tool to open the water supply. It is cold supply. It is hot supply. It is gas supply. Gas supply. I use this tool to take out, to open the connection, water supply and gas supply. You must remember, you must cut off, switch off the gas supply and water supply before you done. You check out carefully. Now I pick up the out and put the new one. I have just finished my job to replace the new water heater. You see, you use the rice tool to cut up the supply water and hot water. Here supply water, here hot water. I have just put here supply water supply. Here hot water. You know? Yeah, I know. Everything. I met the right position to cut the pipe of water supply and water, and put the thing on. And I put the supply gas supply already, and I start cooking. Now it's cooking. You see the line started blue line here, normal operation. You see, blue normal operation. This is the first time I replace the water heater so that I take more time. So the next time I will reduce. I do easy and quickly because I wait my time to find good part and good material, good part, good stone to the so I wait about nearly $700 for the new. The 10 about 560, and some connection cold water, hot water, and supply gas to proper supply to the tank, and some tune I need to you good so that it took me nearly $700. This is the owl I put here. Yeah, the owl. It's long time ago. I try to cold well at the licking. It in the but it's difficult because it's in the bottom, so that take time to run out of the water from the tank. But it's long time. It's due long time, so that I decided to buy the new one, and I finished the new one. Now it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you again next video. Bye bye. See you soon. New water heater.